Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how you can use Chat GPT to improve your writing skills. If you're someone who loves writing, or even just someone who wants to improve their writing game, then this video is for you. But first, let's talk about what Chat GPT actually is. Chat GPT is an AI language model that can help you generate high-quality content quickly and easily. It's like having a writing assistant at your fingertips 24/7. Whether you're writing an essay, a blog post, or just an email, ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas, structure your writing, and even proofread your work. So, how can you use ChatGPT to improve your writing? Well, it's simple. Just type in your topic or idea into the ChatGPT interface and watch as it generates a well-written, coherent paragraph or article on the spot. You can then use this as a starting point for your own writing, or even just as inspiration for your next project. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't that cheating? Not at all. Using ChatGPT is just like using any other writing tool, like a thesaurus or a grammar checker. It's there to help you improve your skills, not to do the work for you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this introduction to ChatGPT helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. So, what are you waiting for? Go give ChatGPT a try and see how it can help you take your writing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.